Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel. Today we will explore the top 10 castles in Ireland, starting with King John's Castle. This robust fortress, strategically located on the banks of the River Shannon, is a remarkable testament to the Norman influence in Ireland. Its imposing walls and towers echo the tales of a bygone era when it served as a pivotal stronghold in the region. Known for its architectural grandeur and historical significance, King John's Castle is an emblem of Ireland's rich past. The castle's interactive exhibits and breathtaking views of Limerick City make it a must-visit destination for any history enthusiast. With its rich history and impressive architecture, King John's Castle opens our list at number 10. At number 9, we have the splendid Malahide Castle. This gem, nestled in the picturesque coastal town of Malahide, is steeped in history, dating back 800 years. It's a castle that has seen it all, from the dawn of the Norman invasion to the turbulence of the 20th century. Malahide Castle isn't just about its rich history, though. Its unique features are a sight to behold. From the striking Gothic architecture to the ornate period furnishings, every corner tells a story. But that's not all. The castle is set amidst 260 acres of lush parkland, home to an enchanting walled garden. Known for its variety of exotic plants and flowers, the garden provides a vibrant backdrop to the castle's gray stone walls. Whether you're a history buff or a nature lover, Malahide Castle offers a blend of both worlds. Malahide Castle, a testament to Ireland's rich past, is our number 9 pick. Coming in at number 8 is the beautiful Kilkenny Castle. This grand structure, nestled in the heart of Kilkenny City, boasts a rich history that stretches back to the 12th century. Originally serving as a wooden defense structure, Kilkenny Castle was transformed into a stone fortress by the Normans who colonized the area. Its strategic location on the River Nore made it a crucial defensive outpost, cementing its important role in Irish society. Over the centuries, Kilkenny Castle has seen countless battles, hosting powerful politicians and noble families alike. Yet it has remained standing, a testament to the resilience and strength of the Irish spirit. In the 19th century, the castle underwent a significant transformation, morphing into the elegant and regal structure that we see today. It's not just a symbol of Norman occupation, but also a beacon of Irish history, culture, and pride. Kilkenny Castle, a symbol of Norman occupation, places it number 8. Moving on to number 7, we have the historic Dublin Castle. Situated in the heart of Dublin, this castle is deeply rooted in Ireland's past. It's a place where history, tradition, and modernity seamlessly intertwine. For 7 centuries, until 1922, Dublin Castle was the stronghold of British power in Ireland. It served as the nerve center of the United Kingdom's administration, shaping many significant historical events. In the present day, the castle has a new role. It's now a bustling government complex, buzzing with the energy of modern Ireland. It's here that state functions, conferences, and cultural events take place, keeping the castle alive and vibrant. The castle's rich history is still palpable, though, in its architecture, its tapestries, and its cobblestone courtyards. Dublin Castle, a crucial piece of Ireland's history, is our number 7 pick. Its story is a testament to Ireland's journey from a turbulent past to a vibrant present and an exciting future. At number 6, we have the stunning Birr Castle. This magnificent castle is steeped in history, nestled in the heart of Ireland. Birr Castle is not just a relic of the past, it's a living testament to Ireland's rich lineage, dating back to the Normans in the 12th century. Over the centuries, it has been the site of numerous historical events, shaping it into the awe-inspiring castle it is today. The castle grounds boast one of the most beautiful gardens in Ireland. With its lush landscapes and vibrant flora, the gardens are a sight to behold in every season. But the wonders of Birr Castle aren't just confined to the ground. It's also home to the world's largest telescope, known as the Leviathan of Parsonstown. This scientific marvel, still operational today, allows visitors an unforgettable glimpse into the cosmos. Birr Castle, a blend of history and science, comes in at number 6. Holding the 5th position is the iconic Rock of Cashel. This landmark stands as a testament to Ireland's rich past, steeped in history and lore. Perched on a limestone outcrop, the Rock of Cashel was once the traditional seat of the kings of Munster. a powerful Irish kingdom that thrived for hundreds of years. For centuries, this place was a symbol of power and prestige, a throne from which the kings of Munster ruled. It's said that St. Patrick himself baptized King Angus here in the 5th century. From the high kings of Ireland to the powerful church, the Rock of Cashel has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, standing the test of time. Exploring the Rock of Cashel is like stepping into a time machine where every stone and structure tells a tale of power, faith, and legacy. The Rock of Cashel, an iconic symbol of Irish history, is our number 5 pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the impressive Lismore Castle. Nestled in the heart of County Waterford, this castle brims with history dating back to the 12th century. Originally built by the King of Munster, it has seen the ebb and flow of centuries, standing as an indomitable symbol of Ireland's rich past. The castle's architecture is a testament to medieval grandeur, with its imposing towers and robust fortifications that have withstood the test of time. But it's not all about the past here. The castle's interior has been modernized over the centuries, offering a blend of old-world charm and contemporary elegance. Lismore Castle is also renowned for its breathtaking gardens. These vibrant, verdant spaces are a horticulturalist's dream, boasting a diverse array of plants and flowers and providing a tranquil retreat from the world. Lismore Castle, a symbol of Ireland's aristocratic history, ranks at number 4. At number 3, we have the enchanting McDermott's Castle. Located on Castle Island in the heart of Lough Key, County Roscommon, this castle is steeped in history and cloaked in mystery. The original structure was a stronghold for the McDermott dynasty, rulers of Moylurg, a medieval kingdom in North Roscommon. The castle we see today is a folly castle built in the early 19th century, yet it still holds the aura of its ancient past. McDermott's Castle has been an integral part of Irish folklore, intertwined with tales of enchantment and haunting beauty. Legends tell of Unaban, a beautiful maiden trapped in a tower by a jealous chieftain, her cries echoing across the lough. In the silence of the lough, surrounded by lush greenery, McDermott's Castle stands as a testament to Ireland's rich history, its stories woven into the very fabric of the land. McDermott's Castle, a mysterious and captivating castle, is our number 3 pick. The runner-up on our list at number 2 is the majestic Belfast Castle. Perched high on Cave Hill, overlooking the vibrant city of Belfast, stands the majestic Belfast Castle. This imposing structure, built in the Scottish baronial style in the 19th century, carries a rich tapestry of history within its red sandstone walls. It replaces an earlier castle which was tragically destroyed by fire. Its lavish interiors are a testament to the opulence of the era, with fine Victorian furnishings and ornate details. The castle's 9 reception rooms, each more splendid than the last, showcase the architectural brilliance of the time. Step outside and you're greeted with panoramic views of the city of Belfast and Belfast Lough. It's a sight that is sure to take your breath away. The castle's sprawling estate, with its beautifully manicured gardens and woodland, offers a serene escape from the bustling city below. Belfast Castle, a symbol of Northern Ireland's history, is our runner-up. Finally, at number 1, we have the captivating Dunluce Castle. Perched precariously on the rugged coastal cliffs of Northern Ireland, Dunluce is a stunning monument to history. Its origins trace back to the 13th century, a testament to the region's tumultuous past. Over the centuries, Dunluce has seen many battles, conquests, and changes of hands, each event adding another layer to its rich tapestry of history. The castle's dramatic location has given rise to several legends. The most famous tale recounts how, during a stormy night, a chunk of the castle broke off and fell into the sea, taking the kitchen and the staff with it. Today, the echoes of these stories still resonate within the castle's weathered stones, adding an eerie charm to this already captivating site. Dunluce Castle, with its dramatic location and rich history, tops our list. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Ireland's top 10 castles. Until next time, keep exploring.